Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today, the subject is data handling. It comes from question 1.4 in the 2017 Paper 1 Maths Lit, and we'll jump straight into it. They've given us a table, and this table is the mean monthly rainfall and the mean number of rainy days per month for Kimberly and Durban. And you can see they've listed the rainfall in Durban and Kimberly, and then also the number of rainy days. So it says here, using this table, 1.4.1 asks us to arrange the mean monthly rainfall. So this is the mean monthly rainfall for Durban in ascending order. So remember, ascending order means from lowest to highest. So lowest to highest, because think of it like ascending a mountain. You're going from the bottom to the top, which is the opposite to descending, which is going down the mountain. That will be from highest to lowest. So ascending, so that means we need to, using this column over here, order each month from the lowest. So as we can see, our lowest being 35, so that would be our first point. And going down the list, I think the second lowest is 39, and the third lowest is also another 39. Going through, we can see the 60 is the fourth lowest. So I'm going to start writing these down as we go along. So the answer is 35. Then the next one, as I said, was 39. There's two 39s. The next one is 60. So you just got to look through this list and just try and find it by eye, which one comes next in order. So I see the next one here is August. So the fifth lowest would be 63. I don't see anything lower than that. Then the next one I see is for September, which is 84. And then the next one I see is 93 in December. So 93. And the next one I see is 107 in October. And after that, we just continue the list on the bottom. So it's on 120 that I get from March, and then it's 126. That's in January, and finally 142, very rainy month of February. So that's the first question, and you get your 2 marks for that. Okay, the next one is 1.4.2. In which month does Kimberly receive the lowest mean monthly rainfall? So again, we're still looking at this part of the table, the mean monthly rainfall. It's important that you're reading off the correct section. And if we go down this list, so this is now for Kimberly, we can see that it's ordered all the way down, and clearly from this list, the lowest is this 3. So 3 millimeters, which happens in July. So the answer is July. Remember to read off the correct part of the table. And on to 1.4.3, write down the modal number of rainy days for the first 6 months of the year for Durban. So those are the important things. So let's break that down. Rainy days, it's obviously this part of the table. So remember, mean number of rainy days. The first 6 months, so we're only going from January to June. So it's January, February, March, April, May, June. So it's just these 6 pieces of data. And they've asked us for the modal number. Now remember from your definitions, modal is most often occurring. So modal, you can think of most often. And clearly we can see 10 comes up once, 9 comes up twice, 6 comes up once, 4 comes up once, and 3 comes up once. So the answer is 9 because it happened twice. That's the most. Cool. So that is the answer. You get 2 marks for saying 9. Okay, on to 1.4.4. It's asking us, in which month does Kimberly have the higher mean monthly rainfall than Durban? So again, they're referring to the mean monthly rainfall, which is back to this part of the table, mean monthly rainfall. And they're asking for which months does Durban have a lower rainfall than Kimberly. So in other words, when is Kimberly higher than Durban's rainfall in milliliters? So we can see in January, Durban's higher than Kimberly, so it's not in January. February, Durban's still higher than Kimberly. You can see it's 142 versus 81. March, again, is higher than 120 is higher than the 88. April is 60 and 68. So you can clearly see that 60 is lower than 68. So we know that the month that this occurs is, let me get rid of that, is April. That's the 1 month that it applies to. Continuing again then for May, 39 is still higher than 6, 35 is higher than 6, 39 is higher than 3, 63 is higher than 9, 84 is higher than 18, 107 higher than 27, 117 is higher than 39, and 93 is higher than 86. So the answer is April. Okay, and then 1.4.5, during which months is the mean monthly rainfall? So again, we back at this table. Don't get confused between mean monthly and the number of mean rainy days. Okay, so mean monthly rainfall is asking us when in the city of Durban is the monthly rainfall the same. So again, we need to compare now each data point per month just for Durban. So again, we're going to be looking down this column. So Durban, 126 doesn't appear again on the list. 142 doesn't appear again. 120 doesn't appear in this list. 60 appears, but only once. 39 I see appears again in July. So this is one of the months that's the same. June, there's no other 35. As we said, 39 appeared in May as well. 63, there's no other 63. No other 84. There's no other 107. There's no another 117. And there's no other 93. So the answer is May and July. So May and July. And that's that for that question. Before I go, just would like to give a special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And if you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can always send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.